In my previous video, I told you that I would make videos on Excel and Power Query challenges that I post on LinkedIn in two series. In the first series, I'll talk about Excel 365 dynamic array formulas. And in the second series, I'll show you how to solve the problem of each challenge with Power Query. So the previous video was the first video of my first series, and today's video is the first video of my second series. So let's switch to my screen and get it started. Again, I will explain the problem of this challenge for better understanding. I have a grid with bunch of columns, and there are so many status for each separate OD bucket, I mean the overdue bucket. For example, an account is classified as UC if it is under the bucket 3 to 4 overdue, for the loan type loan, and for the term 6. You can see the status are across columns, so I'll transform them in each separate row. I will also extract the value before the delimiter hyphen from each OD bucket, and we'll keep them in each separate row. To accommodate loan type and term, we'll also repeat accordingly. I have already transformed the regular table into Excel official table by pressing Ctrl T. Now I will send this table into Power Query. So I'll go to Data tab, and from Data tab, I'll click on From Table or Range. So it will trigger the Power Query interface. As the status are across columns, so I will unpivot these three columns. So I will select the first two columns. I'll go to Transform tab, and from Transform tab, from the Unpivot column options, I'll select Unpivot other columns. So it will transform the other three columns into rows. So I'll click Unpivot other columns. Now you can see the value is now in each separate row. I will change the column name value status. I will not change the column name attribute because I will remove this column later. I'm almost done. Now I have to extract the value before the delimiter hyphen. I can use the Power Query interface, but I will show you how to extract the value using M-code. So I'll go to Add Column, and from the Add Column, I will click on Custom Column. So this box will open up. Here I will write the code, which is Text.BeforeDelimiter. So the first argument is text, which means it is asking for text. I have to provide text for this argument. So I'll click on attribute, comma, and the delimiter will be hyphen. I'll close the bracket and click OK. Now you can see I have the value before the delimiter hyphen. So I'll change the column name, which will be OD. I will hit OK. Now I will delete the column attribute because I don't require it now. So I will drag the column and keep it before the status column. Now I will load this table into Excel. So I'll go to File. Here I will click on Close and Load to. Click on Existing Worksheet. Now I have to select my cell. So I'll select the A9. I will click OK. Now you can see the table has now been loaded into Excel. So it is my expected result. I hope you like this video. I will come soon with my next video for challenge 2. See you then, and thank you.